So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I look at on these crazy gappers in the morning, these big 400, 500% movers like Amer Virtual Cloud, I think it's American Virtual Cloud Teching, Avct, is, let's say this was the trading day right here, intraday, and we've already had this big move up. Maybe you scalped a little, maybe you were just kind of being patient and waiting. If you look at the RSI on the bottom here, it starts to bottom out on our lower channel on the 30. So now I'm interested. It's getting a little oversold, not in the red zone yet. And then I'm watching the MACD. Obviously it's negative, but it's starting to curl up here, which right in here you have a little bit of a crossover, right? But it's bullish divergence because you're moving higher on the MACD, but you're moving lower on the stock price. And then you have a positive crossover here, which is around right at 8:16 a.m. So if we go into the stock price chart at 8:16 a.m., you can see that we've kind of had this pivot breakdown, and then this little bit of a kind of a shape change in here that you can kind of see this little channel pop back up, and then it starts to find this little agitation area, and then right around here it starts to curl up. Even if you looked at it from kind of a different perspective along this line here, where it had multiple touches, you can see that it fell from this little consolidation area where it hadn't broken some horizontal support yet, and then it finally breaks it here, and then it back tests the channel, and then it kind of hits here, hits here, hits here, hits here, and then right in here, right around that same time frame, it starts to break to the upside, where you have the RSI moving up and the MACD crossing over to a positive area, and that's kind of the indicator. So I feel safer. You know, you can always do the bracket scalps and just play the little in and out, in and out. But these are the moves that are more interesting for the extended moves, maybe smaller share size. You know, where you're getting that break at 989 and moving to 14. I mean, 50% move in pre-market. I don't do a lot of pre-market trading. I like to have stops and I like to go bigger share size on some of these, but that's the kind of stuff we're looking for. You know, if we get that pullback intraday and that same curl, you know, maybe it happens around 1150. That's what we want to kind of look at, and then you can obviously set your stop maybe below some of these red candles here on 964. So you're entering at 990, your stop is 960, and you're looking for that big move up like that. But this is getting a little bit crazy already at $14 a share after closing yesterday at 484.